This brand is made in China by Medea and is sold through Menards home improvement stores. The brand offers units with 3-speed fans, but they only have manual louvers, which does not do as good of a job of circulating the air throughout the room. The units use basic washable filters, which does not do much to improve the indoor air quality of the room. The PAW R1ABL models are basic cool-only units with energy saver and timer modes for energy savings, while the PAC model is for casement windows with a 10,000 BTU capacity, but they are relatively loud with a 61 decibel noise rating on high speed. The PAT models are basic through-the-wall air conditioners, while the PATH units provide heating as well as cooling. They use R410A refrigerant, which has a higher ozone depleting potential than the other models that use R32. The warranty on the compressor is not very good when compared to other brands. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.